The bench strikes up and a high-pitched rises to the command. The synchronized swinging of arms and the sound of thudding feet is something within us. We are extremely glad to introduce the four distinctive houses, namely Raman, Eklavya, Vivekanand and Azad. The NCC that aims developing characters, comradeship, discipline, a secular outlook and a spirit. The team is headed by Master Harpreet Singh Saluja. Leading the troop is Master Ekant Jain, the newly elected head boy of the school. Followed by Miss Arzu Patidar. They resolve to be disciplined and responsible citizens of the nation and also undertake positive community services. Leading the troop is Master Ekant Jain, the newly elected head boy of the school. Followed by Miss Arzu Patidar, the newly elected head girl of the school. Following is the team of students council. Everyone, please give them a big round of applause. Right in front of you, marching is the Raman House, led by House Captain Master Divyan Singh Patel and Vice Captain Miss Nandini Chauhan. The green color symbolizes freshness and peace. Next in the series, we have Eklavya House, marching magnificently, led by House Captain Master Vard Jain and Vice Captain Miss Manasvi Jain. The yellow color depicts optimism and enlightenment. Next in the series, we have Vivekanand House, marching magnificently, led by House Captain Master Amol Bukati and Vice Captain Master Arpit. The red color shows enthusiasm and confidence. Right in front of you, marching is the Azad House, led by House Captain Master Omijit Parihar and Vice Captain Miss Ananya Parihar. Blue is the color of trust and confidence. Wow, what a beautiful sight it is! Great leaders don't set out to become a leader. They set out to make a difference. It's never about the role. It's always about the goal. Our students are standing here on the brink of a new chapter in their life. In this ceremony, the newly elected leaders swearing in will be a gracious moment for all to witness the emerging leaders. So,